Hello everyone and welcome to Marketplace 2 in the Assistive Technology class. This Marketplace is on how Minecraft includes assistive technology throughout the game. Minecraft was initially known as the Crave game back in 2009, an official release in 2011 by a Swedish developer, Marcus Persson. It was renamed to Minecraft. Minecraft was quickly took off and became one of the most successful games of its time. Since it was a hit with the public, Marcus and his friend funded Mojang, which became the company that Minecraft was sold under. In 2017, Mojang sold all of its rights to Microsoft.
Minecraft is a three-dimensional video game set in a virtual world in which players can create structures within different worlds, environments, and terrains. The game operates in three different gaming modes: survival, creative, and hardcore. In survival, players must find their own building supplies and food, and they can interact with the game's villagers. In creative mode, players are able to play unrestricted and create as well as destroy their structures. Hardcore is the final mode, which has the same aspects as survival, but once your character dies, you can no longer play in your world as a character anymore. Minecraft has often been compared to online Lego, as the game's block-like aesthetic, characters, as well as sharp lines give it a similar feeling.
The cost of Minecraft has changed since 2011, since the initial release. Minecraft Java Edition is sitting around $40 Canadian and is a one-time purchase. The Pocket Edition of Minecraft, which is on iOS and Android, is $7 Canadian. Minecraft Bedrock Edition, which can be played on any console or computer that has Microsoft account links, goes for $20 Canadian.
The age recommendation for Minecraft is for children aged 7 and older, usually with the recommendation for children 13 years of age and older. There is no verification process for Minecraft, which means that the company does not check your age, which can cause some problems when it comes to multiplayer. Multiplayer servers are hosted by a third person. This means that Microsoft is not in control of what anyone says, and only the third person host can monitor chats. A lot of servers will have chat filters for hate and curse words, but that is not always the case. It is up to the host's discretion to monitor what they desire. In this circumstance, we think that this should be a game that a parent would have to use their own discretion on whether or not the video game is suitable for their child.
There are many different game modes for Minecraft. They are like subtypes of Minecraft and other games. These game modes include Minecraft Dungeons, Minecraft Story Mode, and Minecraft Education. All of these lack the accessibility features that the original Minecraft game has.
Versions are important when it comes to the accessibility of the game. Narration was only developed in version 1.12, making earlier versions of the game inaccessible to many individuals. The latest versions of Minecraft have a warning when connecting to multiplayer, announcing that public chats may not be safe for a young audience.
Single player allow individuals to play by themselves. All accessibility settings can be used in this to enhance a person's gaming experience if needed. Single player has the most accessibility features: narration, subtitles, epileptic support, out of all these versions of the game. The multiplayer part of Minecraft has three main accessibility supports, but mainly focuses on chat support as you will be chatting with other people if you wish to do so. You can change how big the chat is, how up-cue the background is, and how far apart you wish each chat to be displayed. A key point to multiplayer is that when playing on a public server, you need to be mindful of their rules. A plethora of servers ask players not to use subtitles, as it can cause an unfair advantage in games, for example, if someone is playing hide and seek.
There is lower tech accessibility, including video settings, music, and sounds. Video settings allow you to control how bright you want your screen, how intense you want your particles, what type of graphics you desire, and several smaller changes. Brightness at a high level and render distance would have a positive impact on those with vision impairments and who need support. There is also an option in Minecraft where you can go into the game directory and change the gamma for the entire game to light up. This would also be beneficial for individuals with vision impairments who need a brighter screen to see everything. There are several options for music and sounds like master volume, block volume, hostile and passive mobs, players, weather, and environment. All of these have a volume slider where you can pick which volumes you want louder or quieter than others. This would be beneficial to individuals who have difficulties processing several sounds at once. This could be a tool for cognition.
Another low-tech accessibility tool is the ability to change controls. Although Minecraft has preset controls, you can change and toggle them. Selecting keybinds allows you to change which key you prefer to complete a movement. You can toggle your sneaking and jumping, which would benefit individuals who struggle with range of motion in their hands. Auto jump can be toggled as well.
There are many different weather types in Minecraft ranging from sunny skies to thunderstorms. There is an option in accessibility settings to remove lightning flashes from thunderstorms. Individuals who have epilepsy or sensitivity to flashing lights would benefit from removing this visual.
The two main types of accessibility options are narration and subtitles. All sounds in Minecraft have subtitles explaining the sounds. Subtitles are found in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This would be beneficial to individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, as closed caption are helpful for those with hearing loss. It would be helpful for individuals to know their surroundings without having to hear the entities in the game, passive or hostile entities.
The second part is narration. Unlike subtitles, the narrator narrates what is happening on the screen. There are different options for narration, including all game mechanics, chat, and settings. You can pick which of these you want specifically, or if you want everything narrated to you. Narration would be beneficial to individuals who have vision loss and are in need of verbal guidance to participate in Minecraft. This would be a great tool for individuals who want to play a game but have limitations to other games.
Here is a quick example of how you might change the settings in our Minecraft game. So first you would sign in as a party. You could be multiplayer or single player, and you choose one, and then you can create your world and change your settings as you would like to. Some of the pros and cons that we have. As any online interactive game, there are many pros and cons. The pros of Minecraft are that you can adjust the settings for medical conditions such as epilepsy. The game is easy to navigate, it works on all systems. There is an educational version of Minecraft which could be used in the classroom to grasp students' attention. Most games are able to navigate Minecraft, and the terrain is based on real places, and items are based on real things, such as flint and steel. The cons about Minecraft are that the chat is not monitored, no validation of age, it can be quite expensive, more difficulty to navigate on a MacBook or on Pocket Edition, and it's limited. There are many pros and cons, but we believe that the pros outweigh the cons. As the game gets developed, more accessibility features are added, which is important for awareness and developing inclusivity. There are several options for accessibility, which is impressive considering Minecraft was originally developed with no accessibility features. We feel as though Minecraft is a good game to play for individuals who have exceptionalities. Thank you for listening to our PowerPoints.